Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So somebody left me a comment requesting that I show them how to install crochet braids. At first I was kind of like, I don't know, because there's so many videos on here showing how to install crochet braids. But then I was like, you know what, why not? You know, if somebody watches me, they subscribe to me and stuff like that, and they have a request, you know, I'm trying to honor it and stuff like that. So yeah, this video I'm going to show you guys how I install my crochet braids. I also want to say that my braid pattern is not perfect. I'm not good at doing cornrows. There's other ways to install crochet braids without cornrows though. But it's not perfect, and that's okay, because a lot of the stuff, the hair is going to hide all of that, and it doesn't really matter. As long as it's sturdy enough to hold it, you are fine. So these are pretty much wavy Senegalese twists, they're called. I think on Amazon, I'll leave the link for this one. And yeah, I've used this hair before. I don't buy new hair. I just kind of wash them, deep condition them, and you know, reuse them. So this is what came out. This was the final result. So I'm gonna do a little side, and then I'm gonna show the back area. I put mousse in it, and that's pretty much it. It took me about, I want to say maybe a good 45 minutes, because I had to get my son ready for school while I was doing everything else. And so yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.